Unlocking the meaning of seal of authenticity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, seal of authenticity. This phrase is not only rich in history but also widely used in various contexts today. If you've ever wondered what makes something genuinely original or how to express authenticity in English, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, seal of authenticity, refers to a mark or a symbol that guarantees the authenticity or genuine origin of an item, document, or piece of art. Historically, seals were used to close letters or certify documents, ensuring that the contents were not tampered with and were genuinely from the sender. In today's terms, a seal of authenticity can be a certificate, a hologram, or any form of verification that assures the item is not a counterfeit and holds true to its claimed origin or quality. The seal of authenticity plays a crucial role in various industries, including art, collectibles, luxury goods, and even in digital media. It helps to protect consumers from buying fake or unauthorized reproductions, maintain the value of genuine items, as authentic products are often more valuable, preserve the integrity of the original work or item, ensuring that its history and origin are respected and recognized. To help you better understand how to use this phrase in real-life conversations or writing, here are a few examples. 1. The painting came with a seal of authenticity, verifying it as an original piece by the artist. 2. Before purchasing the vintage watch, I made sure it had a seal of authenticity. 3. The software includes a seal of authenticity to prevent illegal copying and distribution. Interestingly, the phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe people or actions that are genuine or true to themselves. For example, his straightforwardness and honesty serve as a seal of authenticity, making him a trusted leader among his peers. Understanding the phrase, seal of authenticity, not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the importance of genuineness and integrity in both products and people. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and its applications in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Remember, authenticity is invaluable, and knowing how to recognize and describe it in English is a fantastic skill. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and history behind the language. Keep exploring, and keep learning.